I always called these American violets, but they are one of my favorite flowers, but actually one of the first flowers I ever liked. Even when I was in grade school, I can remember picking them. They are the ultimate and easy to care flowers. American violets are hardy in zones 2 through 8, but here in Illinois, they are the easiest thing to grow. They can grow out in the grass, they can grow under maple trees, they can grow anywhere. But if you put them off by themselves, you know, like a regular flower bed, then they really grow good. They can tolerate shade or sun, but if you want to make them do the best, partial shade, well drained, rich soil, add a lot of organic matter. They bloom in early spring. Water them regularly, but they seem to just do fine even when I don't water them. So if you like this video about one of my favorite flowers, please subscribe to this channel. I would certainly appreciate it. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.